Academy for Creative Teaching presents
Hi teachers, I'm sure you would have heard about the statement that teaching is a noble profession and some teachers take up the profession by chance and some by choice. Actually, if you observe, for a child, it does not matter whether you have taken up the profession by chance or by choice. When you become a teacher, you are expected to live up to that expectation of every child. As a teacher, three things matters the most. One is your knowledge. Second one is your skill. And the third one is your attitudes and values. When we talk about skills, I'm sure you would have heard about 21st century skills. The 4 C's, which are critical thinking, creative thinking, communication skills, and collaboration. Today, we're going to talk about the soft skills which is required for every teacher. The first soft skill is always be a willing learner. You need to learn from books, from people of different departments. Keep your mind open so that let the information come from all the direction. You will be working with kids, parents, fellow colleagues. One element that is important is have patience. A man who is a master of patience is a master of everything. The second quality is have patience. As you work with parents, kids, teachers of different departments, you need to learn patience in dealing with all these people. The third soft skill is you need to look for positive in everything that you do. Everything the kids do and the teachers do. Look for positive. The fourth soft skill is you need to be enthusiastic. You need to have that energy in you. Your enthusiasm comes from the faith that you possess towards your work and towards yourself. The fifth soft skill is you need to manage your emotions. You should always be cheerful, happy. There may be a volcano burning inside, but you need to manage your emotions. The sixth soft skill is that you need to manage your family. A teacher whose family support her perform better. So you need to develop that support that you get from the family. That's a skill. At the end, it is a skill to align your thoughts, your energy, your emotions, and your thinking in turn to discover the purpose of your life and your teaching career. From knowledge and skill, ultimately we should develop values in life, which is more important.